It's like we misplace it. It's in storage. We never want to see it again. I don't know, some bad memories, some bad back pain maybe. And then, of course, we've got to get it all back to put in our trunk, right? Put in the trunk of the car, especially for traveling this time of year, if you're coming back from grandma's house, if you have family to go visit. The message from officials, pretty simple. Their request is just to plan ahead and to limit your travel if you can. And then if you do that, give the crews out on the road some space so that they can get their job done and that we can all travel safely. New York City officials have issued a travel advisory, and this is going along with basically exactly what Mike Masco said from Friday evening into Saturday. And they've activated their city's winter weather response plan, and all that means is what we typically see. Sanitation crews pre-treating the roads, loading salt spreaders, and readying the snowplows to clear streets and bike lanes as conditions worsen. The mayor is urging New Yorkers to avoid driving if possible, and then, of course, rely on the transit system. We're, of course, always checking with New Jersey Transit. We know that they have issues when it snows, when it rains, but they are warning there's no changes ahead of time. But if you are traveling through New Jersey Transit, when the snow rolls in, they're asking passengers to take the responsibility to check changes in service before you board. Officials say if you must travel, keep an emergency kit in your car, including a flashlight, food, and water. The travel advisory remains in effect this evening through Saturday, as meteorologists are calling this the largest snowfall in 3 years to hit New York City. Of course, we'll be keeping an eye on that, and as the morning continues, we'll be talking to people as they come to Home Depot, to the grocery store, to make sure that they are prepared to have a cozy weekend in, or if they're hitting the road, to make sure they have all the essentials to be safe out there. We're live in the Bronx. I'm Kalorama, Pix 11 News.